Hello everyone, today we are gonna make a fun catch game. So delete the cat and go to backdrops and choose whatever backdrop you want. I really like space, so I'll choose space. And go to sprite and choose whatever sprite you want. I know something to go to space, so I know maybe I'll do dot. And then choose whatever sprite you want again. Maybe I'll just choose the basketball. Okay, and then on the dot we're gonna put when green flag clicked forever. Then put two F's. Then put F key right arrow pressed and key left arrow pressed. Then go to motion and put change X by 10 and change X by minus 10. And let's try it out. And now this is the thing that will catch the objects. And then go to basketball or whatever spot you have. And put when green flag clicked forever. Move minus don't put change y by minus 5. Then create a new variable called score for all sprites. And then we're gonna do if touching dot, then change score by 1. And then make sure to put this on the X because minus 182 180. And make sure to also put this at the top. And then one last time, go to search and put line. And then on the line put when green flag clicked set ghost effect to 100 and it'll disappear. And then put if touching line, then go to the banana. So then we have our game. So You can watch the video that shows how to add a high school and add it to your project and share it on the Scratch website. So, bye everyone. See you later.